Well, it's January 6, 2026. Just a quick update on what's happening here at the museum with the F-117. A lot of sheet metal work going on. If you recall, the leading edges were all removed because they're radar absorbent and classified. So they had to make new aluminum replacements. And so it's all done now on the leading edges and the nose on both sides. You see, it's a ton of work. There are no drawings for this. It was all done by a fellow named Cameron, who worked at the base, and now he's a full-time restoration employee here. And he's done a hell of a job. You can get an idea how complex some of these angles are. How many holes he had to drill and countersink. It's just amazing. So he's done a good job. You can see here that the aircraft is under a cover. It's still getting kind of dirty. So a lot of work to do on the nose to put the aerial refueling cover in there, something to simulate that. And anyway, it's slowly but surely plugging along here. Have no idea when it'll be done.